Let's take a look at XRP, perform some technical analysis and make some predictions on where we can expect to see the price of XRP go in the near future. Let's get into it. How's it going, guys? Ryan here and welcome back to another crypto video. We're once again taking a look at Ripple's XRP coin. We're going to be taking various indicators such as moving averages, looking at various patterns of the candles in order to make predictions on where we can expect to see the price of it go in the next few days, weeks or months. But before we get into all that good stuff, guys, please remember to leave a thumbs up if you do enjoy today's video. Of course, if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I cover crypto, stocks, investing and wealth management. I'd also love to know your thoughts on Ripple and XRP down in the comments section below. But without any further ado, let's jump straight into today's analysis. Welcome into the XRP chart, guys. If you're looking to buy XRP or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And I'm leaving up the last analysis we did of XRP, which was on the 12th of November from our last video. So what you can see was, if you recall, on the 12th of November, we had a very important point. We needed to maintain this short-term uptrend in order to make sure that we continued moving in the right direction. That trend failed, and it failed significantly. A lot of the crypto market was coming to a bit of a relaxed state, coming down from the bullishness and starting to reduce in value across the board. So XRP obviously copped it as well. And you can see that over the next few days, it then hit our 20-day moving average. Once it broke through there and our key horizontal support at $1.14, it absolutely dropped, as many other cryptos did as well. You also notice that on the same day, the 50-day moving average at $1.11 also failed as well. And overall, we dropped a few days later to a low of $1.01. Now we're currently sitting at $1.03. It looks like it could be stabilizing slightly, but interestingly enough, it is getting very, very close to that 200-day moving average, which is sitting at 98 cents. So overall, for XRP, not looking fantastic at the moment, but we need to basically try and re-establish a few different key points of support for us moving forward. So let's get rid of that line. That trend is now out of action. Let's zoom out and have a good look at exactly what's going on. Well, overall, yes, we are still probably realistically in a uptrend from a longer term perspective. If I chuck in right here this nice little line, you can see that whilst yes, it isn't the best uptrend you've ever seen, it is relatively relaxed and stable. We are sitting right on a very important point now. That baseline of this trend, which is basically at $1.02. If this fails, we will be going into a much longer term downtrend. And how's that going to play out for us? Well, honestly, not too well, because if this breaches, obviously the 200-day moving average is our next stop, and then we will be continuing to move in a downwards direction. Just putting in some horizontal support here to have a look at exactly where we could be falling to. And typically, I'd suggest you'd be looking at, probably from a historical point of view, around about here, going down to 87, 88 cents or so. You can see plenty of price action in the past around that region, but of course as well, this has been used quite a lot historically in September as well as a point for support. So I'd say that is easily a point where we could see this coin dropping to if this uptrend here fails. So hopefully, obviously, that does not occur, but we're on the cusp of it at the moment, and we aren't seeing much buying momentum, especially from a volume perspective coming into XRP or any other cryptos for that matter. Let's bring in a couple more indicators to have a good look at exactly what's going on as well. MACD, it's showing that yes, we are now in a red period. We have been for an extended period of time. We had that 12-day EMA cross below the 26-day EMA. Still dropping, no signs really at the moment of any sort of a reversal. I suppose the good thing to note is that yes, the volume is dying down, which means the selling off is dying down a bit. That is really all we are seeing at this point in time. What we want to see is obviously that 12-day EMA cross back above the 26-day EMA. When that happens, well, we'll soon find out. Let's have a look at the RSI as well, guys. Relative Strength Index. You can see that's quite low as well due to all the selling that's occurred, sitting at 39.58. And of course, that gives us plenty of room to move in an upwards direction should we see a spike in volume. But overall, we have been declining from an RSI perspective basically from the 15th of August. So it's been an extended period of time. So for XRP, overall, well, it's not looking too shabby. Things are, I suppose, from an RSI point of view, looking like they are due to turn around. Previously, when we've gotten to these levels back in September, we saw a reversal and increase in value. We're about those same levels now from an RSI point of view, but the price is higher than where it was back at that point in time towards the end of September. So overall, not looking too bad from that perspective. The key for today's video, and our goal is simply not a price target. Today, our goal is to maintain this uptrend. Now, we're going to find out very, very quickly if that's going to happen or not, because we are seeing that today is the day we're bouncing off it. We bounced off it yesterday, fortunately, but we have once again come and touched it again today, and the price is still hovering really, really close to that point. So overall, we want to see above $1.02 and then consistently moving up, probably on a daily basis, maybe half a cent or a cent at least, in order to maintain that key long-term trend that we've seen starting from about the 21st of September. So overall, not the best looking crypto at the moment, but what crypto is, I mean, even Bitcoin's not looking great right now. So it is what it is, guys. Just hope that these key points of support are held. That wraps up today's analysis on XRP. I'd love to know your thoughts down in the comments section below. I really think that this is a critical point in time for XRP, and whilst nothing interesting has really happened as of yet on XRP, we are looking at a major point of support from that uptrend that started in September. If that breaks, we genuinely are falling below $1, likely down to that 87-88 cent range, because I don't think, to be fair, that 200-day moving average is going to hold up quickly due to panic sellers moving in. We've already failed the 20-day, we've already failed the 50-day, the 200-day is basically next if this trend does not hold. But of course, let me know your thoughts, and if you did enjoy today's analysis, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more of this sort of content. I'll leave it there, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.